So the first ultrasonic insert that you're going to see in your cassette is the FS1000. This is the blue tip insert, and it's used for heavy to moderate calculus, both supra and subgingival. There are two ways that we can adapt this instrument, the ultrasonic insert, and it can be in what's called the transverse method. So the transverse method is the adaptation that's very similar to that of your 204S or a scalar, where the point of the instrument is leading the way into the interproximal, just like you would. Rolling and then leading that way into the interproximal. The transverse method is used mainly for supra deposits. The other method is known as the vertical method, and this method is where the tip is pointed down into the sulcus, very similar to that of when we're probing, how the tip or the point of the instrument is pointed into the sulcus. This is used for more subgingival deposits. So backing it in, adapting to get into that interproximal space, coming across the buccal, and then backing into that interproximal space in the posterior. Keeping that insert in motion at all times and adapted. With the blue insert, we also want to be aware of where we are adapted onto the tooth, and this would be for any ultrasonic insert. So we have to have a good understanding of dental anatomy as well. So this is where our opening up between 0 and 15 degrees, so coming slightly away from the tooth, this will allow the working end to stay adapted as we get more deeper into the pocketing, and because we know that our teeth are not completely square. They do have a rounded formation, so we want to ensure that we're adapting that working end at all times.